Hi guys, this is our farm, our wellness ranch. With some pecan trees, lots of game. Not lots, but we've got golden blue wildebeest, zebra, goat, eland, etc. We've got 100 peach trees, maybe 200 pecan nut. We've got some growing tunnels, some more forest to walk in, put up tents. Really beautiful. Like you can see, it's oasis. Some more property. And our sheep kraal, chicken, a barn for the vehicles, workshop. And this is where we plan to do camps. We're busy preparing it. Fireplace, accommodation, and our wellness center. Some of our products. Our kitchen, daily consumables, juicer, extractor, etc. Our RBTI workplace, some dark field microscopy, ozone and far infrared sauna, drip therapies, trampoline, recline table, our famous limb suit, Blu-ray UV prostate and vaginal cancer treatment, UV and far infrared sauna, and GB4000 SR4 and amplifier plus plasma tube, rectal and vaginal ozone. Now yeah, that all being said, it's our wellness rounds. In our wellness center, we receive people, we do a RBTI test to see what the inner body is like, testing ammonia, nitrogen, volts, amps, debris, etc. You can Google RBTI Dr. Reams. That's our foundation, is to know what the body is like. A doctor focuses on the symptom. We focus in why is there a symptom, what went wrong. So we do a RBTI test, then we draw blood, we send it to a Lancet or Pathcare, we do blood tests, and the first thing we do is, if you work with a fish tank or a swimming pool, you first look at the pH of the water and temperature. You've got a thermostat in your tank that keeps the temperature at the right degree and the pH. So then we test the human pH, and we import from Germany a product called cesium chloride. We alkaline the body within 2 days. Now there's a crowd that work with ivermectin and fenbendazole. Excuse me. Sorry. And so fighting the virus. The virus is not a problem. Our pH is the problem. We maintain our pool, our golf course, our fish tank. We control pH, speed of potential hydrogen. And that's what we need to check in our bodies. So we first get the body alkaline, then we do a colon cleanse, we do a liver cleanse, we do a gallbladder cleanse, we do a bowel cleanse, we do a lung cleanse, we do a kidney cleanse. We clean out this body. Secondly, we use organic veggies. We make veggie juice, and then we feed the person proper veggies. Based on the RBTI test, we see what the lack of nutrients in the body is. Then we supply the nutrients, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, whatever it may be. There's a couple of cancer protocols we do. Then we do amino acid tests at Potchefstroom University. We do peptides, we do lipids, we do stem cells, we do drip therapies. Whatever this person's body may need, we then supply. That is our story. Do visit us, RBTI Health Pretoria. Thank you guys. Bye.